from all walks of life. The Spirit of God has been poured out without measure upon people that's going through a literal area of needing a breakthrough, a miracle for their lives. You may be suffering with depression. You may be suffering with bills. You may be suffering with literally going through a divorce. I'm trusting that you will be ever so blessed by the living God, no matter what you're faced with. Why? Because God is bringing you into a new era, the Lifeline.
I wouldn't give you the world if I had it to give, and I wouldn't give you my life if you needed it to live. My everything's not too much. It's my love, my heart, and my trust, babe. 'Cause you're the only woman that makes the songs I sing make sense, and it's because of this I know there's no need to keep on looking anymore. When you're everything that I ask God for, 'cause you're my soulmate. You were the missing part of me. You are my soulmate. You're the one that brought me to my knees. You are my soulmate, my soulmate. The one the Lord himself gave me, my soulmate. Where I'm weak, you are strong. So together we can't go wrong. That's why God put us together. We've got all bases covered. And oh, there's no one in this world, no, that could ever love me.
To know why I'm in love with you. Patient and strong, always, no matter what I face, you've been there to bring me through. Just fine, on time. It took a while to see that your love was true. Now no one can undo. I belong to you until the end of time. Good to know you're mine. And all I want to say till my dying day, I just wanna be close to you. It's where I wanna be, where I am when I'm with you. Perfect, yes, perfect. It's what you gave for all the world to see. Now no one can undo. 'Cause I belong to you until the end of time. Good to know, and all I want till I die, I just wanna be close to you. Come on,
on, people. Follow me. You say.
I just wanna be close to you.
Again, thanks for watching Lifeline.